Hi, I'm Mike, and this is Project Zero Search for CS50W. And the goal of this first project was to make a front page that resembles Google and implement some of its functionality. And you can see I went in a slightly different direction and created Moogle, which is Google but presents you with cow-related results instead. But otherwise, I think it's going to hopefully fit the right specifications. You can see up in the top page here, we've got links to images. So we've got Moogle Images, Advanced Searches, and it can take you back to the front page there. That also works via clicking on any of the logos. For the second part of the specification, we can have a look at whether the search button works. So if we type in Harvard, for example, we will get search results for Harvard cows. So more or less that functions. If we have a look at Moogle Images, we will get similar results. So if we type in Denmark, which is where I am, you can see how we get pictures of Danish cows instead. For the fourth part of the specification, we can have a look at the advanced search here. You can see how we've got our 4 inputs here. And for the fifth part, you can see how the aesthetics look somewhat like Google. I've got a nice blue advanced search bar here, and we can check whether this works too. So, for example, if we want to include the word Harvard here, we want to include the exact phrase CS50, and perhaps we want to include words coding or perhaps Python. But let's exclude words, for example, like hard. If we click on advanced search, you can see how we've included Harvard, added the word cow, coding or Python is fine. CS50 is in quotes, so it needs to be included. There's a little minus sign here, which excludes results for hard. And it leads us to this lecture on cowsay. We can also look for the sixth part of the specification at the I'm feeling lucky button. So for example, if we add in just simply USA here and click I'm feeling lucky, we get a redirect notice, but otherwise it will take us to a Wikipedia entry on United States cattle breeds. You can see for the seventh part that although I've tweaked the logo a little bit, everything else resembles Google's aesthetics. And I have actually borrowed the way this little search bar lights up and the colors directly from inspecting Google's own homepage through the web inspector built into web browsers. Cool. Well, that was a lot of fun. Look forward to the next project. Hey.